This video content contains introduction to terminal multiplexer. Terminal multiplexer is for every cybersecurity professional, be it a blue team defender, red teamer or pen tester, a developer, also system and network administrators who deal with multiple terminal windows. Data scientists and analysts use it as well. Terminal and power users require TMUX. Basically, any pair programmer or terminal enthusiast uses TMUX. While the learning curve could be steep, journey thereafter is really smooth. Let's first understand the architecture of terminal multiplexer. Terminal multiplexer is organized into sessions, and then sessions have windows, windows have panes. You can have one session with multiple windows, and these multiple windows can contain multiple panes. Eventually, you can have multiple sessions like that. To have a persistent session, session management, terminal multiplexing, pair programming, as well as session logging. First step in terminal multiplex learning journey is installation. So let's install terminal multiplexer. TMUX installation is straightforward, but it does not come default with the operating system. So for example, we're going to cover Mac operating system here. The process to install is brew install TMUX. Once you issue the command, the installation is pretty straightforward, but it may take some time to install the TMUX. In case you encounter issues, it will be for one of the three reasons. Ideally, Homebrew should be installed on your computer, but if it is not, which it does not come by default, you'll have to install Homebrew using following commands. You have to meet macOS requirement, including Xcode CLI. Once Xcode CLI is there, just run this shell command, add the homebrew binary path to your existing path variable, and then check the brew version. Steps to install Xcode CLI is simple, and you don't need the entire Xcode IDE. Only thing you need to do is run the command xcode select -- install, and that should be good enough to install Xcode CLI. Once you're done with the installation of TMUX, next step is to customize some of the settings using a custom configuration file. There are things like prefix customization and mouse support, which are going to come handy. Mouse support specially helps you resize the pane just with a click of a button and dragging the pane lines. On the other hand, prefix, which comes by default as ctrl+b, may seem a bit uncomfortable to some of us. It is advised to use an alternate custom prefix key like ctrl+Space, which I'm going to use in the rest of this video. You can create a custom configuration file in your home directory with the name .tmux.conf. Let's look at the content of the file. So first step is to change prefix from the default value of ctrl+b. You will be supplied with this configuration in the description field. Make sure that you reload your terminal post making these changes. Third item in the configuration file is optional, and rest of the content is for reference.